the underground river. Beautiful scenery. Getting killed by the zigzag.
Christine, he wants to know kung okay lang daw padalhin doon sa may mga
Nanipis kasi siya. But if that's the only bag that you can bring,
I was gonna put it under the shirt, under the t-shirt.
Masbatinia, Texas lovers.
This is kind of like a scenic overlook on the way to a tour down there.
I need to see our first.
Down there. Very beautiful. Stop recording. Very sharp, jaggedy mountains. Stop recording. We're walking over to the boat in this slippery jungle water.
Ilan po sila lahat?
Swamp boat.
Movie.
We're now in the swamp boat. Now in the boat in the mangrove area.
ayun sir, may kulay blue po yung kanyang buntot. Kulay black yung kanyang, nakadamo yun ma'am, o hindi siya maklaro po ma'am, kulay ang balahibo. Ayun sir, kulay itim. Ayun sir, yung kulay itim po ma'am yung kanyang head.
Diba pala,
Ayun, ayun.
Ano, what's that? Okay.
Ay, ito po ma'am.
I don't know what he's saying.
Nahulog pa ma'am yung kanyang kinain. Bit-bit sa ito ba? Nahulog. Ayun, pero sa tawag sa Iguano ba sir?
Recording?
Yes. Red. Red color. Oh, look at the two red lights. Stop recording.
30 minutes our activity and 1 to lunch. Sir, ma'am, we don't have crocodile here.
He was over there. He's going under.
Bayawak po ma'am, bayawak.
bayawak.
Just some pets.
Stop recording.
Bayawak.
Dalawang klase yung bayawak.
Anong klase? Mayroong
Ibig sabihin yung
Ano yun?
nasa tubig siya, lumalangway.
Yun sir yung yung
I wonder what is hiding in that
dry.
room.
Dry.
Oo, kain.
Dry siya. Pero pwede sa buhangin.
Oo, pwede din.
Meron din dito sir.
Kaya bang tao sa
Huwag naman siya mag-hiking kuya.
sa mga bato, yung yung pilot ang kulor. Parang may
Yung
pagbabalito.
kapag ka matubig sir, pagka mabilis silang gumapang. Mabilis silang Pero we don't have crocodile here. But it's for kinds of animals. Yes, if you see the birds, the kingfisher, and we just wait for a while is to see another animals. The
Stop
mangrove
recording.
snake.
You
That
bando.
is yellow. So it's today the mangrove snake sir is sleeping, active tonight. To see on the branches of the tree, we are coiling my whole body. So careful your tool to use every day. I'm not a good swimmer.
Nangangagaw ka.
Yes sir.
Monkey.
Minsan may nauuwi.
Hiding the monkey.
They're there, up
Snatching
there.
your phone.
So careful to your phones along the river within the 30 minutes. Yeah. You don't have good swimmer, you will die. Hello, good morning.
Monkeys.
So,
Come here.
I will be on your guide, sir, ma'am, and boatman. Igan, our boatman, and me, my name is Carl.
Hello, kuya.
Morning to all of you. Magandang araw at mabuhay sa
Buhay.
So, sir, ma'am, just a minute to see the mangrove snake. The color is a black combination with yellow. Going to the left side in our boat, is they have the snake, sir, over here. Pero sa una, we'll find another one here, sir, ma'am. Yes. It's gonna to see because it's closer by the deep. But they find another one. It's to see along the river. Hello, good morning. Mabuhay. So this morning, ma'am, our water on the mangrove area is mixed water. It's going to high this morning. Especially the water, yes sir, high tide. So mixed water. Early morning, the water is a brown color because it's low. So now it's going to high the water is a good color. So,
Mixing salt water gets in here. That's why it's mangrove.
water. It's exactly, sir, ma'am,
Flavor
the
and-
level of the water is full higher is 10 feet. Malalim, di ba, sir? Pag 10 feet. Dalawang tao ba?
Deep. Deeper.
Dalawang tao pwedeng nakatayo, di ba, sir? Bago maabot ang babaw. But the water is low, sir, it's different. It's a 5 feet and the color of the water is usually brown. And the name of the river, sir, ma'am, is called that Sabang River.
Sabang
The name
River.
in our place is Sabang Mangrove Paddle Boat.
Looks like they filmed
That's why the
Anaconda.
water will be the salt and fresh water. That's why it's called that Sabang. Yes. 1 kilometer for our regular activities. Yeah. We are coming outside, inside, 30 minutes to 35 minutes. Sometimes, ma'am, sir, is to see the monkey along the river. But today, sir, ma'am, cannot sure to see the monkey because the water is going too high. It's possible to see the monkeys, the water is too low because they are looking by food in the ground to the mud, like the small crab or shrimp or sometimes the fruit of mangrove.
Stop recording.
It's no crocodile here, ma'am. Never mind. You don't have to see the crocodiles in our forest. It's only the
No
monitor lizard.
crocodile.
Sometimes to see going other sides to swim on the water or they are to climb.
Ayun, ang laki.
Where?
Oh yeah.
Ah, that one. There. Colorful, yeah. Colorful.
Black and yellow, ma'am, siya. Black and yellow.
Black and yellow.
Tulog po, ma'am, pag-araw.
Ano ba yan? Parang udto-udto.
Madilim, ma'am, pag-gabi. Wala na kaming tour.
Wala na to.
Pwede kayong bumalik gabi. Pwede po ma'am kayo mag-tour ng gabi sa City Proper. Yun po yung Parkline Mangrove Watching Tour. Yun po ma'am yung isang uri ng mangrove tree na napakaganda po dahil sa alitap-tap po ma'am nila nakadikit yung mga hiwana
that
po
City
yung
Tour,
alitap-tap. Pagkat
Mangrove
po ma'am ang
tree, yeah.
local name.
There are a lot of the
Sa Parkline
alitap-tap,
Mangrove Watching Tour po ma'am sa City
the
Proper.
night fly.
We have a beautiful flower po ma'am ang mangrove and more parkline. So maliwanag po yun ma'am, yun yung pinakaliwanag yun. Yes. Yeah, alitap-tap po ma'am, alitap-tap. Magatpat po ma'am ang local name ng mangrove trees na meron pong alitap-tap. So wala po ma'am kaming Parkline Mangrove Watching Tour po dito. It's for daytime po kami ma'am. It's a more variety of mangrove trees po ma'am in our forest. It's a male and female mangrove. Oh, we have another
Alligator.
halo or bayawak
Alligator.
lizard. It's going to the other side, the monitor lizard.
Alligator.
Yeah, halo. Halo,
bigger.
lizard.
Lizard.
Start recording.
Alligator.
Ibid yan.
He was over there. He's going under.
Yeah.
Bayawak, bayawak.
Just some pets.
Stop recording.
Dalawang klase yung bayawak.
Anong klase?
Ibid, ibig sabihin ibid yung nasa tubig sa lumalangoy. Yung bayawak sa amin yung nasa lupa lang talaga. Nangingain ng manok.
Dito sir, lahat, ang bayawak sa amin sir, ganun.
Ganon din.
Sa tubig at saka sa ganito sir.
Wood.
Dito kasi sir, nakasanayan na namin ang bayawak sa tubig at saka sa ground. So hanggang dito na lang tayo ma'am. It will eat for the tour ma'am because the river ma'am is affected by the trunks of the tree down to the water. This is by the typhoon last 2021 too ma'am. The event.
Damage from the typhoon.
Yeah.
The old unique mangrove tree, whistle riding down in a wonderful runway. The group of my friends and to my there is one. We multiply mangrove tree, all of us whistle play on nursery of bees, marine bay foods are the best. Please don't cut and burn it. We must love and nourish these flower pieces from the unique trees. Tabby, look, the piece of this. Hey, lobsters now are the best. Hey,
Snake attack here.
all of them.
Yeah.
Small. The yellow trees. Snake hunting. That one. You say it, Daddy?
Yeah, the yellow.
Very much.
Thank you.
And now here, ma'am, see the mangrove snakes. It's going up there now.
It looks like
Para siyang caterpillar, ma'am.
sleeping one.
Mangrove forest going to the left side. And look at the fruits of the mangrove trees. So this is the fruit of mangrove or vegetables. Yeah, the vegetables of the mangrove tree is look like malunggay kumang. Yeah, it look like the malunggay vegetables. It's edible for monkeys, sir, or another purpose of the fruit of mangrove trees is it will drop to the mud during low tide. This is